Welcome to today's app presentation. So here we have mineral exploration area that shows us places where we have deposits of these minerals. Okay, tin, bauxite, clay, kaolin, limestone, iron ore, and gold. Now our steric this gold to be more of hydrothermal deposits. Okay, so it just tells us or give us an idea of where we have a potential to have gold or zinc or coal or any other uh, hydrothermal mineral. All right. So to use this, all you just need to do is to select the state. Let's say, for example, we're interested in Kogi State, and we can pick a local government. Um, let's go with Tekina, for example, very popular place in Kogi State. And want to look at the iron ore deposit. I will pick, let's say, I'm picking a more recent year. And please always take note to use more of the dry season because the rainy season contains more of cloud cover. So it's best to work with January, February till April. So let's go with March, for example, picking the 5th of March. Then I'll run my analysis. So this takes us to where Tekina is in Kogi State. And here we can also see the legend here. So time of potential classes. Now this is the imagery followed by sorry, so followed by the iron ore deposit as you can see for the year 2025 around March. Okay, so this is where we have more of the iron ore deposits. And please, this is where you can also check and check whichever layer is appearing and you can see. So this tells shows us the selected area. You can always uncheck that. It shows us the iron ore any mineral you select on the list. All right, so let's do something. Let's see as far back as 2022. Let's see 2022. Let's see what we have as a deposit. So we have a deposit. So for this particular one, you can see we have cloud cover. So what I'll do is I will need to adjust that to in February, the better season. Okay, so you can see based on this is selected, you can see that we have deposits around this middle part here or iron ore. You can go as far back. Okay, this is for the year 2022. You can go for say 2023. Now this is based on research papers that we used. This here you can see the references. Okay, the boundary shading that was used to achieve all of this. We can change to gold, for example, run the analysis to load up the gold deposit. Okay, to load up the gold deposit, you can see here we have moderate deposit of hydrothermal deposit rather in all these areas, maybe potential where we can see gold. So let's go to 2025. Let's see. February 8th. Analysis. Okay, let's see. Error image. Check this so we can see where we have more hydrothermal, moderate or high or very high. Okay, so this is how, let's check for tin or gold mine. So this is how you use the app to actually check for all this deposits, deposits. Yeah. So for tin or columbite, you can see we have nothing, very low. Okay, so anything here in the killer. All right, so you can explore the app further and give us your feedback on it, what you think about it.